how much we spent on our last tire replacement. As you can see, the tread is long gone, but this is after 38,000 miles. Those we had to replace after 25,000 miles. Here are the two new tires we're going to be putting on the front. Eagle F1 Asymmetrics, size 255, 420R, and we have the 20-inch rims. Now, what I personally recommend doing is hitting up an online discount tire retailer like TireRack.com. That's the one that I personally use. You can then have them shipped either to your installer of choice, or you can have them shipped directly to your house. I paid $19.99 per tire for mounting and balancing, $15.99 for my tire rotation, for a grand total of $64.87. After paying the $691.56 for two new tires, I paid a grand total of $756.43 for two new tires for my Tesla Model Y. And now that I'm completely broke, I'm gonna go and shoot another YouTube video so I can pay for more stuff for my Tesla.